welcome. This is straight after clipping my ends, and I want to give my hair a good sealing and saturate it with this castor oil. This is something I do often, even daily, if my ends are out. If my ends are tucked away or in bantu knots, they tend to stay moisturized. Castor oil is a really thick oil that does really well with my hair type. It tends to make my hair curl and coil up. Here I am doing my hanging bantu knots to recreate my bangs that I took down to clip my ends. That Style and Shine edge control that I'm using to hold it in place. So it's the next day and I'm going to oil my scalp and saturate my ends again. I'm also giving myself a nice massage as I grease my scalp. I wore my hair like this to work, banded like this. Unfortunately, I do not like my hair down at work because I get very hot. I'm a woman of a particular age, you should know, and I get very hot. And I need to stay cool. So I have my hair banded up, and I'm gonna band the back, and I'll show you how I do it. I'm just massaging and working the product in so it kind of dissolves in my scalp and in my hair like lotion would, you know. To cut down on the greasiness, melt it in there real good. Now I am going to saturate my ends with this castor oil again. I'm showing you how it's totally dry, and I just did this yesterday. I feel no oil whatsoever. Now in the middle regions of my hair, like where the bands are, if I were to take the bands down, I would feel the oil in my hair. It's just the ends seems to drink up all the oil, or rather this dry Texas air is just drying it out because I have my ends out. to band the back, and I'm using one of my mini banding options, which are these plastic scrunchy things that actually pop. So since they are broken, it's one long coil spiral spring thingy, and I just wrap it around and it keeps my hair in place wonderfully when I can do it right. It's really hard to do the back. My hanging mantua knots will not stay in place for nothing. They just keep turning into curls now. They are not sticking much anymore. You can see the frizziness of my hair. It's getting near time to refresh and redo. So it's probably 1 strong or 2 strongs into this hairstyle coming up, because I don't leave it past 2 strongs. 2 weeks. Would you rather be strong or weak? I'm just saying, speak life. Yes, I feel like being extra today. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be bliss. Speak life.